evening, everyone. So as we deliberated a while ago, so we decided, as what Cindy mentioned, that we don't want it to be like in a politics, so like with a competition that siya man, hindi man ako. So supposed to be a Rover Scouting organizational chart. There would be only the Rover leaders and then the Rover members, so assistants and then the members. No core commanders like the BSP because we're working on the community. Okay, so it's not about the rank. So inyong buhat is just to do the job of a Rover Scout leader. So we decided we will have grade 11 Rover leader and grade 12 Rover leader. Okay, and then these leaders will be the one to appoint their members, like the assistant, and based also of their assessment of their members. Okay, so are you ready? Ready na? Do you have in mind na? We're ready? Okay, so of course, you have your peer assessment. You also have your own, like gusto niyo mga position. So as we deliberated, this comes out the result. So for grade 11, we have drum roll si May. For grade 11, we have Mr. Cesar. Congratulations. Please stand. Do you accept the responsibility, Mr. Cesar? Yes, sir. Congratulations. And for the grade 12, we have Mrs. Ako mali Mrs. No? Mr. We have mine. So for grade 12, we have Mr. Cahilo. Do you accept the responsibility, Mr. Cahilo? Yes, yes. So, and with that, this will be our leader. So, sa inyo pong ginominate, so sila po lang nandawas, no? Although naidawas na si Mr. Sayang, so nasayang. Si Mr. Sayang nasayang, kaya wala siya sa video, okay? So, Mr. Sison and Mr. Cahilo, a round of applause, please.
Thank you guys. Thank you for accepting the challenge. Both of you will be working hand in hand. Both of you has equal responsibility. So all we have to do is to go together